They work great on your keychain. So if we ever lose our car keys, we can easily find them. You can place them inside wallets as well, so they don't take up that much room. You can have this on or off. I like having this on inside the wallet because then you can easily pull it back out. But as you saw, it just fit in a normal slot, which is nice. If you have a lot of gear like me and you don't want anyone to steal it, or if someone would steal your gear and your equipment, what you can do is you can hide this somewhere. And because it's so small, we could just hide it like back in here and nobody would ever know. Or you could put it underneath so they can't find it. So we could take all these pieces out, stick it underneath. Again, you can use these pretty much anywhere and everywhere. So this is what you get. Now these are great for putting on your keys, vehicles, or a wallet. Anytime you lose anything, no problem, you can track it. Works great with Find Hub from Google. Little lanyard if you want to keep it on that. So let's test this out. So to turn it on, and once you got the app already set, you press it. Now it's turned on and it should pop up on the app under devices. To turn it off, you just press and hold the button, wait for the beep, and it's off. Once you have it connected and you're on the app, it will then be able to track you down to the very area, and you'll be able to go very close down in, and it will show you where it's at. So it'll show you on a map exactly where it's at. So if you lost it, left it somewhere, it's going to show you right down to the road and everything, or building that it's at, and you can zoom in or zoom out, and it's that simple, that easy to use. Again, it will pop up under your devices, kind of works just like finding your phone, and it will work just like that. So it will show like a little dot for each one, you can name it and all that stuff through the app, and it just works great. Like, these are very nice for many different uses. So if you need a track, definitely take a look at these because they've helped me find my keys and my wallet. So you can even put it on your vehicle. So, you know, someone steals your vehicle, takes your vehicle, or if you have kids that are young and you got to watch what they're doing, where they're going, no problem. Put one of these in and track it.